Got Dirty Girl out on a rescue mission out in Yearlum community off the pack saddle. Just flip this around. Uh-oh. Chris and Vinny there standing around. What happened?
See that out there?
Oh, yo.
Guess what?
First 2 attempts, Dirty Girl can't get in there. As soon as you touch the ground, it just disappears to talcum powder. So we're going to hit up our mates, see if they'll lend us a heap of chains. I'll rip back, can't pull this thing out. Outback trucking, yo. Come to Bishop's, get Chris on us some chains. Lucky we got people like Cameron and Guy out here helping us out. How many chains did we get?
9 in the end. We'll see whether or not that's going to make it. Like,
about 80 metres I think we stepped it out.
80 metres.
Yeah. Alright, let's see how we go.
Being honest.
Alright, let's pack mule these chains out.
Feeling strong, Chriso? You want to carry me, did you say?
Go on, cunt.
Fuck me. That is a fucking distance, alright. So, I got about 36 beers in the cab. You want to fucking crack a couple and watch this cunt sweat?
I reckon.
What? This is Outback trucking here, yo.
Besides, that makes payback for all the times you've fallen asleep in my cab. What?
Nah, credit where credit's due.
Carrying you gets pretty fucking tiring. I know.
Credit where credit's due. This little cunt fucking works for his supper.
He does. There is one thing today that Chris and I beat you at.
What?
We got our truck in further. What do you reckon, we're linked together or something?
Mate, like 80 miles of chain.
You've heard of 80 Mile Bridge, ever heard of 80 Mile Chain? So we got the big Dirty Girl here. And I don't know if you can see that, but that's the Scania way deep in there. There's Chriso. 100 meters away, and here's our chain starting here. Let's follow this all the way up. And so we came in with the Scania and just dropped instantly. See this stuff? It's just bull dust, absolute bull dust, talcum powder. So we had to call for reinforcements. What's going on, Chriso? Just a little bit bogged. Just a wee bit. Alright, there you go. So that's the slack taken up in the chain. Look at that rut. Dirty Girl is pulling this thing like it's a fucking toy. Chriso's taking trees down. Look at that. Chriso, you pulled up. There you go. What a fucking intense moment. We got Flora going down like fucking sticks. We got a tree over here getting used as an anchor point. Stop there! Stop there! Holy shit! Holy shit! Get a load of that! fuck would you get a load of that? That tree is still smoking. All the way out there. Oh my lord. That was gorgeous. Outback tree loppers. Wants me, your shit fucking sucks and I need more of it. We somehow shifted out this side, but we don't have much room to work with. I'll hop, skip along. Hey. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Just like butter. Like absolute butter. Alright, so I've just jimmy rigged up another chain for the boys. Oh, boggage in both ways. Oh, good shit, boys. That's it, Chris, I stop there. Wait, did you engage four-wheel drive?
Yeah, good job, boys. Knuckles. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Fucking oath.
Chris, get the fuck out of the way.
Fucking look at that amount of chains going on down there.
Just for next time, bro, because we do have to come back to that car. Just for next time.
Let's use the chains on the end.
Nah.
Chains on our truck, or?
Just don't get bogged. Just don't get
I'm
bogged.
not going to make that.
That's why you were on the shovel. Cheeky fuck.
You know what?
That's why you...
Do you know,
That's
right?
the law, brother.
The first thing I said when I looked at that, the way it went down, I said, yep, hands up. I would have gone for the same lift in the exact same spot. I would have walked that ground. I would have said, yep, that's hard as anything.
Well, dead set.
I would have walked straight into it.
It looked exactly like this.
Yeah.
And then underneath it, it's just literal talking powder.
I would have walked straight into it. I would have creeped the truck straight in there. I would have sunk it just as hard. Anyway, teamwork makes the dream work. Outback Cash for cars, y'all.